Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Vauxhall remote key fob. The key fob battery is situated just behind this panel here, so we need to remove it to access the battery. If this panel hasn't been removed before, it can be quite stiff and tricky to remove. So you get your thumbs in the gap here and just prise the casing open like so, and there you go, there is your battery. You get a little screwdriver and you get it underneath the battery and just prise it out of its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery part number of CR2032 like this one. You get your new key fob battery and you just pop it back into the housing. Make sure that the writing is facing upwards at you so you know the battery is in its correct location. And you just pop the case back on, make sure it clicks in place, and there you go, it's all done.